front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by accessing Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to delete one of them, use this X next to the chosen one and tap on Remove. If you want to change order of your contacts, click on Reorder at the top right corner. Change placement of them. And when you finished, hit Save, also at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!